Hi everyone, today me and my dad together are going to draw a drum set. Let's start. First, draw two lines like this. Put them darker and darker. Then from there, draw two lines up once more and then connect. And the other one, draw a line and another line and then connect. Then draw a smiley face. Look. Now from here, draw a line, and from here, stop and then draw a line, and from here, stop and then connect it to here. Next here, draw a line, another one, another one. Now from here, draw a line, and the line, now connect down here. Now draw a line like this. Now up here, draw another line like this. Now draw a circle more. Now draw a line like this. Now another line like this. Now another line and then another line. Another line. And a curve. Now from here, draw a line like this. Now another one. Now a line up like this. We're done. You can draw music notes. Now draw dark circles. Actually, here. You can color any color, just make it pretty. like I said, make your picture, your coloring, super pretty. I'm done. Okay. But if you don't have a drum at your house, you can get a bowl and sticks and then hit that bowl with those sticks. Or else, if you do, you can get that. And I'm going to take it, like I said. Let me show you how to play. Just one moment. Let me get a bowl. I'll show you. I said I have a bowl now. I have 2 sticks too. Now I'll show you how to. So you put the balls down, or the drum down, and you have your sticks. You hit the ball. It doesn't sound very good, but if it's a bigger ball than this, it can sound really good. It sounds like your ears are going to break. But sounds so weird. It sounds just like this because this thing is plastic. But this ball is good too enough. But I want to play this drum.